Tell us a bit about how did you transition from your master's in getting through that first role or the first job? Because that's one of the things that at least the grads in 2020 or 2021 would be struggling a lot. And especially like what sort of internships did you do then, and how does one go about those things?
Yeah, that's a good question. And I think that was one of the biggest learning experiences for me because I did not start looking for an internship till way later, right? I did not understand that, especially in grad school, one of the main things that you got to start doing as soon as you start is networking and connecting with people and connecting with companies, because referral based job search really works well. Like if there is somebody who knows you and can um, tell the hiring manager that, okay, this person, or the company, that this person has this skill set that you can hire for, it becomes easier for the hiring managers to make a call over there. So one of the mistakes that I made is that my course, I think, started in August, and I did not start looking for an internship till February, and internship start in May and June, etc. So it was tough for me, but I was fortunate enough to basically, like, I had narrowed down the field. I knew I wanted to do finance, so I knew that I had to get into financial statistics. So I got into like this firm called Argus, which did like credit card analytics, which is
Mhm.
funny, and like did interesting modeling problems. But the learning lesson here is that, a, keep all your options open, right? Like, for me, it's fine and good that I knew that I wanted to get in finance, but internships don't really dictate what you're going to do for the rest of your career. So it's more important to get experience, and more important to like start thinking about your internships or your first jobs in the very beginning of your grad school life or your undergrad life, if you want to do a job after your undergrad.
Got it. That makes sense. I think a lot of students do get into like the analysis paralysis mode where they keep trying to think about, hey, this is what I'm going to do, or this is where I fit in, like you mentioned finance. But the real world scenario is very, very different. It's a lot based on the kind of demand and supply there is at that point of time, and the kind of opportunities there are. So great point. So